So wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I make my waffles. So now I'm gonna jump right into the intro and then we're gonna kick it off.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So now this is all my ingredient I'm using. Here I have like a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, white granulated sugar. I have like a cup of milk. I don't think I'm gonna use all of this milk. I have 2 eggs scrambled. I have some butter melted. Here I have some nutmeg powder, some vanilla. Here I have some baking powder, and I have some cinnamon powder. So first we're gonna combine all the dry ingredients together. So here I'm going to add my flour to my strainer. I'm going to add my sugar, my nutmeg powder, not so much, so this much of nutmeg. Now I'm going to add some cinnamon powder, like this much, not too much. Now I'm going to add my baking powder, like a teaspoon of baking powder. So now we're gonna sieve these together. Alright, so that's our dry ingredient. So I did have the flour in this one. So now I'm going to add the milk, the eggs. Now I'm going to add the butter, the melted butter. Now I'm going to add the vanilla. Roughly one tablespoon of vanilla. You could add more if you need it, if you need. So now mix these together. So as you could see, I mixed the dry ingredient together, and now I mix the wet ingredient together. So now I'm gonna combine both of them together. So now we're gonna, as you could see. So now I need to add a little bit more milk. Need to add a little bit more milk. So we're gonna add everything. So this is all, add all of the milk. And this is a good mixture, guys. I already have my waffle iron preheated. See? This is a good mixture. We're going to spray the waffle iron. Not too much, just a little bit, just lightly spray. Just like that. So now I'm gonna get my spatula. So now we're gonna add the mix, and we cannot add too much mix to this. I don't want it to mess up the place. Just like that. I'm gonna close. So this is how you know when your waffle already cooked. When the light skip from red to green, that's when you know the waffle is already cooked. And when you see the steam coming out, you don't want to open it until it done steams out. Long as the steam coming out, that means it's not ready. Some more people, the light change from red to green, so you know the waffle is ready. So we're gonna see what it look like now. Look at that. So now we wanna take out the waffle, put it on a plate. So here I have some strawberry. We're gonna put it just like that. So we're gonna plug out this, we don't need this no more. Now I'm going to add some syrup. Just like that. This is how it looks. So please remember to like, share and subscribe for a lot more videos. I have a lot more videos to come up. Peace out.